How to activate Axis Bank credit card online. Hey guys, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Axis Bank credit card online. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. In order to activate your Axis Bank credit card online, first you need to get logged into your account. At the top search bar, type in Axis Bank account login, then tap on the first search result of internet banking. Tap on the human icon, then choose if it's personal or corporate. For today's video, I'm going to choose personal. And once you're at this page, simply enter your login ID or your customer ID. Once you do so, enter your password at the box below. Solve the CAPTCHA and tap on to login at the bottom section. In case you would like to log in through your debit card number, select the right tab, enter your debit card number and your ATM PIN number, solve the CAPTCHA and tap on login. And once you're logged into your account, you will see an option of credit card. Tap onto it. At the next page, tap on to generate ATM PIN and just like so, follow the on-screen prompt to get started. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.